This man thinks he's talking to this woman right here. We pick him up from the airport to reveal the truth to him. Watch and see what.
Brianne and I got on the road to pick up Todd from LAX.
So Todd called me yesterday and said he needs to talk to me ASAP. I called him back and he said it was on his mind about the way he was talking to me. He felt guilty and he apologized for not being thankful that we have created this opportunity for him that he can travel and meet with us.
Wait, he's calling again.
Yo, yo.
Hi. What would you say, meow meow?
Yo, yo.
Hey, they're gonna take me back outside to where the Parkers is.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. I'll be messaging you very soon. Okay. Thanks. Bye. I guess the only concern I have is maybe you sit up front with Todd.
Okay.
He can be a little flirty.
With you?
And yeah. There's some things he said off camera, but I feel like because he's a little flirty, maybe we'll have you drive my car, sit up front with him.
What if he flirts with me?
Then you're on your own.
Okay.
Wait, so what is he saying to you?
We were talking about something, we laughed a little, and he said, I love your smile, I love your eyes, and mind you, we are not on a video call.
Okay.
And then he says, I'm just a flirty guy. I'm flirty. So yeah.
I mean, how serious is he with his relationship while flirting with you?
Let's ask him that.
Our team finally made it to LAX and Todd was out front waiting for us.
I can help you. Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Have a good one, okay?
Yep.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Nice to finally meet you face to face.
Todd, put her there.
Hey, mister.
It's nice to meet
How you doing?
Nice to meet you, man.
Oops, sorry. Sorry, my microphone.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. How was the flight?
Fine.
Yeah?
You'll be in the front, sir.
Oh.
After we picked up Todd, Brianne sat in the back and I hopped in the front to drive her car.
Man.
Oh, wait. And then I was going to say, do you want to pass me my coffee up there? And then you guys will have more room. I'm loading up on double coffees today. I'm too much.
I think you're right in my style.
Uh-oh. So traveling was great. What do you think about meeting us? Are you excited? Hang out with us for the day?
It's going to be an experience, capital E. Because if it weren't for Rose, I wouldn't have never jumped onto this flight deck.